Using Mailchimp for loyalty programs is a great way to build stronger relationships with your customers while driving repeat business. Stick around to learn how you can set up and run loyalty programs using Mailchimp's features, and I'll even share a special way to use the software for free with some exclusive bonuses. First things first, Mailchimp is well known for email marketing, but it also has a lot of potential when it comes to creating loyalty programs. By integrating loyalty rewards into your emails, you can keep customers engaged and encourage them to return for more. Next thing to keep in mind is the power of Mailchimp's automations. With Mailchimp's automation workflows, you can create personalized reward emails, follow-up sequences, or special promotions based on customer behavior. For instance, when a customer makes their first purchase or reaches a certain spending threshold, you can automatically send them a loyalty reward. This keeps your customers engaged and reminds them of the perks they get from being loyal to your brand. The third thing that can really set your loyalty program apart is segmentation. Mailchimp allows you to easily segment your audience based on factors like purchase history, location, or engagement level. This way, you can create highly targeted campaigns that appeal to different customer groups. For example, frequent buyers might get early access to new products or exclusive discounts, while new customers could be rewarded with a first-time purchase discount. Next thing, let's talk about how to create and track loyalty points. While Mailchimp doesn't have a built-in loyalty points feature, you can use integrations with third-party apps like Smiled.io or Loyalty Lion. These tools allow you to assign points to customer actions like purchases, referrals, or even social media engagement, which can then be used for discounts or free products. You can then tie these loyalty points into your Mailchimp campaigns, sending automated emails that notify customers when they've earned points or have rewards to redeem. The fifth thing that makes Mailchimp a great tool for loyalty programs is its reporting features. Once you've set up your loyalty campaigns, you'll want to track their performance. Mailchimp's reporting tools give you insight into open rates, click-through rates, and sales conversions. This means you can continuously refine your strategy and make sure your loyalty program is effective in keeping your customers engaged. Before we wrap up, make sure to grab the exclusive offer we've got for you. You can start using Mailchimp completely free from the first link below, and we're also including special bonuses to help you get the most out of your loyalty programs. Finally, don't forget that Mailchimp can be an essential tool for growing your business by not just building loyalty, but nurturing it over time. Make sure to sign up for the extended free trial offer through the link below. You don't want to miss out on this.